Welcome to Bolt Energy USA.
We build the absolute best battery on the planet. Hello, my name is Bobby Diaz. I am the CEO and co-creator of Bolt Energy USA. You as fellow dealers, I'm sure encountered the same problems that we have with lithium golf cart batteries. Dealing with the factories, the emails, the countless emails, late responses, and you have unhappy customers. So I want to paint this picture of you have customers walk in, they don't know anything about golf carts, and you as the professional begin to explain to them that they can pick their steering wheel, they can pick their rims and tires, their motors, their controllers, their seats, all of these things, including their energy storage, their battery. Most of these customers don't know if it's lead acid or lithium, they don't know the difference. So you explain to them that lithium is the latest, greatest thing. They can go 3 times further. The battery actually has a 10-year warranty, all of these great things. You build this custom cart for them, you deliver it. Let's say it gets delivered on a Friday. Kids are jumping up and down, the wife, the husband, everybody's excited. We leave at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, we go home, we're at dinner with our families. You have a phone call. That voicemail, when you listen to it, is that customer that you just dropped off that cart to, and they're stuck on the side of the road. So what do? You tell them to check the battery if it's on or off. There's not too much you can do. You know that the golf cart is broke and they're asking and looking for you to help them. They trusted you. They trusted everything you said about it. So what you end up doing is you go pick that customer up. You pick their golf cart up, you pick the whole family up, you take them home, you take the golf cart back to your dealership. How do I fix this? What do I do? At that point, you're sending emails to the factory. They're not responding to you quickly. You don't know what to do. Okay, we have another battery in stock, we'll put that in, but all you do is you put another problem back in. So at the end of the day, what happens is these folks are mad at you. Doesn't matter what you did, they forget that you were a tow service and you went and picked them up. You tried to do everything right, which affects our reviews, our word, pretty heavily for us. Our dealership is everything we do is based on our reviews. Our belief here is on technical support. If you should have a problem, we pick up the phone Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 Eastern Standard Time. We're here. We're here for you. If your technician calls us during those business hours, he's going to get an answer or she's going to get an answer very quickly. Second most important thing, we have a solution really quick. When they have an install, our kits are the most thorough golf cart kits on the market. When you open that kit, there's nothing they need to go look for. There's nothing additional you have to order or purchase. We have installation videos all over YouTube to help them as well. The end goal for us has always been, if we can create peace of mind for you, then we can create it for ourselves as well. Everything we do to the products we use, we're engineered in the USA. You're not dealing with an overseas company. We're continuously here to help you. Our warranty process is extremely simple. If you have a problem with our product, we're going to repair or replace it. You have 10-year warranty with Bolt Energy. 5 years is repair or replace, 5 years is a prorated term. Rare event you have a problem, we're here for you quickly and efficiently.
10-year warranty, the longest in the industry. I mean, these guys obviously believe in their product, I do too. So much so that they're willing to stamp that kind of a warranty on their brand. That should tell you a lot about how they feel about what they're doing.
Hunt V, Navitas products, Alltrax, all of our products work seamlessly with them. We have some extremely competitive tiered pricing for all size dealerships. We know that everybody can't be a supersized dealership overnight. We're going to support everybody from the very top largest dealerships to the small 1 and 2 man operations. So we have a Bluetooth lithium golf cart battery. And the reason that we have this is very simple. A lot of folks think this is gimmicky. Actually, what this is a diagnostics tool. Our diagnostics tool is designed so we can diagnose 98 to 99% of the problem. That amount of time and labor that you spend and that unhappy customer, we can typically solve for you really quickly.
My name is Brent Tenney. I'm CTO here at Bolt Energy USA.
My name's Jennifer Tenney. I'm the COO. I handle everything day to day here. I work one-on-one with our dealers. I kind of keep everything running. Everybody calls me the glue around here. I have, really good relationships with a lot of our dealers. I've became friends with them.
My name is Carl Atkinson, and I am the Shipping and Logistics Manager for Bolt Energy USA. We put the customer first. Without a doubt, we put the customer first. We strive to make sure that everything that we do is as good as it can be, without fault.
We really pride ourselves in who we like to do business with as far as our vendors go on a couple different things. Not only the quality of the product, but also the quality of the dealer support and customer support. Both Bolt and Navitas knock it out the park each and every time with that.
Bolt has outstanding customer service no matter who you end up talking to. The nice thing, you call them up, they're going to answer the phone every single time.
I'm really glad that Bolt has teamed up with Jeffrey Allen as far as that goes, because they are on top of it and they're really helpful as far as the Bolt products go.
The owners of Bolt Energy, Bobby Diaz and Brent Tenney, they're the epitome of what you want as a master distributor in a partnership. When we attach our brand to something like that, and we know the customer's going to have a great experience, it's easy to sell it.
When they finally find us and we recommend Bolt, it's just nothing but smooth sailing, 100% success rate so far. They're great.
The golf cart business is going to involve my Bolt battery.
So thank you for watching this short video. I encourage you to give us a call, give us a try. Try one battery. Just try one. Try one professional kit. When you see the quality that arrives to your dealership and you share that with your technicians and your staff, there's no turning back.
Join Bolt Energy USA today, the best lithium battery solutions on the planet.